Does it really works? Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you want to save your drawings from destroying, then watch the video. This is called Fixative. This spray claims that it can fix pastel color, charcoal and pencil drawings. Its cost 250 rupees and contain 200 ml of spray. Now come to the main point. Does it really works? Here is some examples. I started using this spray 2-3 months before. I use this spray in this charcoal drawing and it doesn't leave any stain. So it works for the charcoal drawings. Now come to the graphite pencil drawing. In this drawing I can see while I touch the drawing it doesn't leave any stain. But if I give a bit pressure then the graphite comes in my finger. Now third one, this is the pencil color one. This spray also works in pencil color and it doesn't leave any stain, so it works for pencil color. Now I will show how to use it. It's very easy to use, just spray in your drawings and that's it. But remember one thing, don't use it while you are in a room because it has a very bad smell. Spray it while you are in outside and use a mask to cover your nose. Now here is an extra tip. After using the spray, you can use a tracing paper to cover the drawing. If the video was helpful and informative, then please subscribe to my channel to watch more drawings videos and art related reviews. Thank you.